Welcome to Book Hub. Today, we're summarizing Building a Second Brain by Tiago Forte, a groundbreaking guide to organizing and managing our information in the digital age. This book shows us how to capture and organize knowledge in a way that helps us work smarter and unlocks our creativity. Let's dive into each major section of the book to understand how to build our own second brain. Before we dive into chapters, we want to share something with all of you. We are finally completed our 100 subscribers family. We really thanks to all of you for stay and supported us from the beginning of our channel. We are really thankful you for your support, and if you're new here, subscribe us and make the family more bigger and better, and happy Chath Puja to all of you. Let's get into the chapters. Chapter 1. The Problem of Information Overload. In the digital world, we're constantly flooded with information from emails, social media, books, and countless online resources. Tiago Forte explains that while our brains are designed for creativity and problem-solving, they're not meant to store vast amounts of information. Trying to remember everything only creates stress and distraction. Forte suggests creating a second brain, a digital system where we can store, organize, and retrieve valuable knowledge. This relieves our minds and helps us focus on what's truly important. Chapter 2. What is a second brain? A second brain is a digital storage system for all the ideas, inspirations, and information that we encounter. Think of it as an external memory that we can access anytime. Whether it's work projects, personal goals, or creative ideas, the second brain allows us to store and retrieve knowledge with ease. It's more than just a filing system. It's a tool that empowers us to use information in a way that drives growth, productivity, and creativity. Chapter 3. The 4 Steps of Building a Second Brain. Forte breaks down the process into 4 actionable steps, captured in the acronym CODE: Capture, Organize, Distill, and Express. Step 1. Capture. Capturing is about collecting all the interesting, inspiring, and useful information that comes our way. Forte encourages us to capture freely without overthinking. The goal is to collect anything that might be valuable in the future, like ideas, quotes, notes from meetings, or inspiring content from books and articles. Tools like Evernote, Notion, or even simple notes apps make it easy to capture information on the go. Step 2. Organize. After capturing, we need to organize the information so it's easy to find and use. Forte introduces a simple system called PARA, which stands for Projects, Areas, Resources, and Archives. Here's how it works. Projects: active tasks that we're working on, like writing an article, planning a vacation, or completing a work assignment. Areas: ongoing responsibilities that we manage, such as health, finances, or family. Resources: any topic of interest or material we may need later, like books to read, courses, or reference material. Archives: anything that's no longer active or needed regularly but may still hold value, like completed projects. By categorizing information this way, we ensure it's both accessible and uncluttered. Step 3. Distill. Distilling is about simplifying captured information so we're left with only the essential insights. Forte's method, called progressive summarization, involves highlighting or summarizing information in layers. First, we highlight key points, then we condense those highlights further, focusing on what truly matters. This process helps us avoid information overload and ensures that we can quickly access the most valuable insights when needed. Step 4. Express. The final step, Express, is about using the knowledge in our second brain to create, solve problems, or make informed decisions. Forte emphasizes that the goal of a second brain isn't just to store information but to transform it into action. Whether it's preparing a presentation, writing an article, or launching a project, the second brain gives us the resources and clarity to bring ideas to life. Chapter 4. The Benefits of a Second Brain. Forte highlights several advantages of having a second brain. Increased creativity. With organized insights at our fingertips, we can make connections and come up with creative ideas effortlessly. Reduced stress. offloading information frees up mental energy, reducing stress and preventing burnout. Better decision-making. Having a wealth of information accessible allows us to make informed decisions quickly and confidently. Enhanced productivity. A second brain enables us to work smarter, not harder, by focusing on valuable tasks without getting distracted by irrelevant information. Chapter 5. Practical tips to build and maintain a second brain. Forte provides practical advice to keep the second brain effective and relevant. Start small. Begin by capturing and organizing only the information you need immediately, and build your second brain over time. Consistency over perfection. Consistently capturing and organizing is more important than making it perfect. Regular reviews. Take time to review and clean up your second brain periodically. This ensures that outdated or irrelevant information doesn't clutter your system. Leverage digital tools. Use apps like Evernote, Notion, or Google Drive to make capturing and organizing information quick and accessible. Conclusion. In building a second brain, Tiago Forte offers a practical and powerful framework for managing knowledge in the digital age. By following the steps of capture, organize, distill, and express, we can build our own second brain, a personal knowledge management system that enhances productivity, creativity, and mental clarity. This system not only lightens our cognitive load but also empowers us to make better decisions and live more purposefully. If you enjoyed this summary and want more insights like this, don't forget to subscribe to Book Hub for more valuable book summaries and productivity tips.